I got you, man. Hey, what's up, man? It's your boy, Bo. Now, listen, I told you I was going with the flow. And you never know where you might go when you go with the flow, man. But today you are on the flow. You're doing celebrity trailers. That's where we at with it, man. They need a repair, so, you know, I'm the guy. Let me show you what we got today. Right now, you are on the flow. You are on the flow with your boy. We down here in it, baby. Me and you. So initially they had something right here, and where this carpet was cut around, and now they want the carpet added on. And you know they call me seamless Timbo. So they got the right one. You did. We're both the flow, man. We over there. We in the celebrity trailer right now. And we gonna make this thing all one. You did. Told you. They call me Seamless Timmy, man. I'm gonna put it together. We're gonna make it all one, baby. On the floor, off the floor, with the floor. Today we on the floor. We'll be open, she'll be there, let me feel, butter feel, let me feel, butter feel, we'll be open, she'll be there, let me feel, butter feel, let me feel, butter, we'll be open, she'll be there, let me feel, butter feel, let me feel, butter feel, we'll be open, You dig?
Hey, what's up, man? Listen, if you found that video useful in any kind of way, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like my videos, repost, share it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to give back. I'm trying to keep this page interesting. I'm trying to keep my content going. So I got plenty more coming for you. All I need you to do is stay tuned, man.